I am a doctor. I help people every day. My name is Alex. I live in a small town with my family. There are many trees, birds, and quiet streets. My house is small but nice. I like my home. It is a good place to rest after work. Every morning I wake up early. I usually wake up at 6 o'clock. Sometimes I wake up at 5:30. The sky is still dark. There is no noise. Everything is quiet. I open my eyes. I take a deep breath. I say to myself, today I will help many people. First, I sit on my bed for a minute. Then I stand up. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face with cold water. It feels fresh. I look in the mirror. I smile and say, I can do it. I take a shower. I use warm water. It helps me feel ready for the day. After that, I go to the kitchen. I eat a quick breakfast. Sometimes I eat bread with eggs. Sometimes I eat rice and vegetables. I drink a cup of tea or warm water. I do not drink coffee in the morning. It makes me feel too fast. I like to start my day slow and calm. What do I do after breakfast? I go to my room. I put on my white coat. I check my bag. There is a stethoscope, some papers, and a pen. I take my phone and my ID card. I wear my watch. I say goodbye to my family. I open the door. I step outside. The street is cool in the morning. There is a soft wind. The sky turns light blue. I walk to the clinic. Where is the clinic? It is near the market. It takes me 15 minutes to walk. On the way, I see many things. There are people riding bikes. There are small shops. There are old men reading newspapers. I smile at them. Some people wave to me. I wave back. I like walking in the morning. I can think. I can breathe fresh air. I feel happy when I walk. Sometimes I stop to look at the sky. Sometimes I see birds fly across. They go fast. I say to myself, I will work hard like those birds. When I get close to the clinic, I see people waiting. There are men, women, and children. Some look sick. Some look tired. They sit on chairs. They talk to each other. Some look at me and smile. I smile back. I know I must do my best today. I arrive at the clinic. I say hello to the nurse. She is kind and smart. We work together every day. We talk for a minute. Then I open the door to my room. I sit down at my desk. I take a deep breath. My day starts now. I am ready to help. My first patient is a little boy. He comes with his mother. His name is Sam. He has a sore throat. He cannot talk well. He also has a small cough. I ask, what do you feel? He says his throat hurts. I check his throat. It is red. I give him some medicine. I tell him to drink warm water. I also tell him to rest at home. His mother says thank you. I smile and say take care and see you again soon. Next, I see an old man. He is about 70 years old. He has back pain. He walks slowly. He says he cannot sleep well. I ask, when did the pain start? He says it started last week. I ask him to lie down. I listen to his back. I write a note for him. He needs to rest and take care. I also give him some medicine. He smiles. I feel happy to help him. After that, a young girl comes in. Her name is May. She has a headache. I ask, "Do you sleep well?" She says no. She says she studies a lot. I check her eyes. I ask her to rest more and drink more water. I give her medicine for her head. She says thank you. I say goodbye and smile. Then a man with a cough comes in. He wears a green shirt. I ask, "How many days did you cough?" He says 5 days. I listen to his chest. I ask, "Do you smoke?" He says no. That is good. I give him medicine and tell him to drink warm tea. He thanks me. A woman comes in next. She has a cut on her hand. She works in a shop. She cut her hand with a knife. There's a small wound. I clean the cut. I put medicine on it. I cover it with a bandage. I tell her to be careful. She smiles and says, "I will." I say, "Take care." There are more patients. A man with stomach pain. A boy with a broken arm. A girl with a fever. I help them all. I check their problems. I ask many questions. I listen with care. I write notes and give medicine. I try my best. The nurse helps me. She gives me the files. She brings the patients in. We work like a team. We talk with the people. We make them feel safe. Some people feel afraid. I say, "Do not worry. I can help you." That makes them smile. There are old people. There are young children. There are mothers with babies. There are workers and students. I meet many people each day. Some people come again. They say, "Thank you, doctor." I say, "I am happy to see you again." I feel tired, but I do not stop. Helping others gives me energy. I look at the clock. The morning is almost over. But there are still more people. I will help them. That is my job. I am a doctor. I care for people every day. In the afternoon, I sit and drink tea. The tea is warm. I hold the cup with both hands. It feels good after a long morning. I take a deep breath. I look out the window. The sky is blue. There are birds in the trees. I smile. I feel tired, but I also feel proud. My work is not easy, but I love it. Helping people makes me happy. I think about the little boy with the sore throat. I hope he is at home now. I hope he is drinking warm water. I think about the old man with the back pain. Did he go home to rest? Will he sleep better tonight? I do not know, but I hope he feels better soon. There is always more to do, but every small help is good. The nurse brings me a small snack. She is kind. We talk for a few minutes. We laugh about something funny a child said. That makes me feel better too. It is nice to laugh during a hard day. I ask her, "How many patients did we see today?" She says 20. I say, "Wow, that is a lot." She smiles and says, "Yes, but we did a good job." Before I go home, I clean my desk. I check my notes. I write a few things in my book. I look at the list of people I saw. There are many names. Each name has a story. Each person came with hope. I wash my hands again. I turn off the light. I say goodbye to the nurse. She says, "See you tomorrow." I say, "Yes, see you then." I walk home slowly. The clinic is quiet now. The street is quiet too. There are a few people walking. Some are buying food. Some are riding bikes. I see children playing in front of their house. They laugh and run. I remember when I was a child, I also played like that. It was simple. It was fun. The sun is going down. The sky turns orange and pink. There are clouds, but they look soft. I stop for a moment and look. I think, what a beautiful world. I feel calm. I feel thankful. I helped people today. I did my best. When I reach home, my family says hello. They ask, "How was your day?" I say it was a good day. I helped many people. I take off my coat. I wash my hands again. I sit with my family. We eat dinner together. We talk and laugh. I feel happy. At night, I read a book. I think about tomorrow. There will be more people to help. There will be more work to do. But I can do it. I will sleep well tonight. I will wake up early again. I will wear my white coat. I will walk to the clinic. I will help more people. That is my life. That is my joy. Today is a good day. Tomorrow will be good too.